They finally caught someone. But was he really guilty?
Alright viewers, today's video is something really exciting. I created these viral fruit character videos using a 100% free tool. Yes, completely free. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same. We're going to generate images, videos, and even complete content using this brand new tool that was released just recently. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into it. First, head over to Facebook. Now let me show you some viral channels that are absolutely crushing it with fruit character content. The first one is called Farm Story. As you can see, this channel has around 59K followers, and if you check their reels, you'll notice something very interesting. Some videos have 2.1K views, some have hundreds, and many others are performing really well. But the real magic is in the uniqueness of the content. Every single reel is different, creative, and engaging. Make sure you go through all of these videos one by one. You'll get a lot of powerful ideas. Now, I always try to bring you fresh and unique concepts so you can stand out and actually go viral. And the best part? These types of AI-generated channels are now getting monetized on Facebook. Yes, Facebook is actively supporting AI content creators, so you can easily create your own AI channel and start growing. Now let's move to the most important part, the master prompt. I've already created a complete master prompt for you, and you'll find it in my YouTube description. You can go through it step by step. This master prompt is extremely powerful. It includes image prompts, video prompts, voiceover prompts. Everything is ready for you. All you need to do is simply copy the prompts, then go to ChatGPT, paste everything, and click on Generate. That's it. Within seconds, everything will start generating automatically. You'll get all prompts, structured, optimized, and ready to use. You can review them one by one, and you'll notice how unique and high quality they are. Now, after saving your prompts, we're moving to the most exciting part of this video. A brand new AI tool that is completely free. Using this tool, we will generate images, videos, full content, so without wasting any time. Let's jump into it. All right, viewers, now let's move to the most exciting part of today's video. The tool we're going to use for generating both images and videos is called Google Vids. This is a brand new AI-powered platform that was launched just a few days ago, and trust me, this tool is absolutely amazing and incredibly unique. With this, you can generate high-quality AI images, AI videos, even audio content, all in one place. Now take a moment to explore the interface. Everything is clean, simple, and very beginner-friendly. First, you'll see the option Sign in to Vids. Click on that, and simply sign in using your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, you'll get access to different AI models. Here you'll notice an option called VO 3.1 Lite, which is one of the latest releases. Go ahead and click on it. As soon as you click, the full workspace will open. First, we're going to start with image generation, so click on the Image option. Next, select your aspect ratio. For short-form content like Reels and Shorts, choose 9:16 ratio. Once that's done, now it's time to use the prompt. Simply take your first prompt, paste it into the input box, and click on Generate. And just like that, your image generation will start. Now here's something important. You only need to wait for about 1 to 2 minutes. And boom, your first image will be ready. And honestly, the result is incredible. The quality, the details, the composition, everything looks extremely professional. Now let's move to the next step. Copy your second prompt, paste it again, and click on Generate. As you can see, the second image is now being created. Your second image is ready, and once again, the scene looks absolutely stunning. Now repeat the same process for the next scenes. Copy your third prompt, generate, wait for a moment, and your third scene will be ready. Then move to scene 4. Click Generate, wait a bit, and your fourth image will be completed. At this point, you'll have multiple scenes ready. Now continue the same process for scene 5, 6, 7, and so on. Generate each one step by step. And finally, Let's take a look at the final results. All your images are now ready. And as you can see, every single image is smooth, high quality, visually appealing, and perfectly aligned with trending content styles. The results are in HD quality, and they look absolutely professional. All right, viewers, our image generation section is now complete. Now it's time to move to the next level, the video generation section, where things get even more powerful. So let's continue. Here's what you need to do. You'll see an option called Sample Voiceover. Click on that. Now from here, select Animate an Image, because we already generated our images, and now we want to convert them into videos. This tool will automatically create an 8-second video in 720p quality, complete with voiceover. Now let's begin. First, select your first image. After selecting it, go to the prompt section. Copy your video prompt, paste it here, and click on Generate. And just like that, your first video will start generating. It's extremely simple. Just follow this process step by step, and your video will be ready without any confusion. Now wait for about 1 to 2 minutes, and boom, your first video is ready. Take a look at the result. This is absolutely stunning. The animation, the movement, the quality, everything looks incredibly professional. And the best part? It generated exactly according to the prompt. Perfect. Now let's move to the next one. Select your second image. Again, copy the prompt, paste it, and click on Generate. As you can see, your second video is now being created. Just wait a moment, and there it is. Your second video is ready. And honestly, this looks amazing. The speed of generation is impressive, and the quality is even better. Now repeat the same process. Select your third image, give it a strong prompt, click Generate, and look at the result. This is incredible. The fruit character animation looks so engaging and visually appealing. This new tool, Google Vids, is doing everything in just a few clicks. Now let's move to the final step. Select your last image, add your prompt, click Generate, and your final video will start rendering. Wait a moment. And now, all your videos are ready. You now have multiple high-quality clips, all generated effortlessly. Every single video is smooth, high-quality, well-animated, and perfectly aligned with your prompts. Now comes the final magic. You don't need any external editing tool. No need for apps like CapCut or anything else. Everything can be done right here. Simply drag and drop all your clips into the provided template timeline. Arrange them one by one. You can also add text, adjust scenes, customize everything. Once everything is set, click on the play button, and here's your final video. All clips combined into one smooth, professional-looking video. And honestly, this looks absolutely amazing. All right, viewers, I hope you really enjoyed today's video. Now you can clearly see how powerful this method is, and how easily you can create viral content. And this new tool, Google Vids, makes everything even easier. And the best part, it's completely free. You can generate images, videos, full content, all in one place. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more powerful and latest content like this. Now, if you want to download your video, simply go to the File section, select your video, and click on Download. And that's it. All right, viewers, goodbye, and I'll see you in the next video.